You're gonna take a video of me eating cereal. Just hold it normal.
Is it recording? Listen to the money talk.
Looking it up.
Here we have a Prometheus milwaukeeus. They typically melander in and about beanbags, local pollages, or pickles college to be exact. They enjoy eating big meals 3 times a day. As you can tell, that is a pretty hefty bowl. It's huge. Yeah, it's a bowl alright. Typically, pills like to drive race cars. They have little Negroes to work on them.
I like my boy Ice Cube. He hooked me up with an idea with big bowls of food. But I got milk, he got water.
Jay, what's this?
A cigarette?
A cigarette. Don't you just want that? Viewers at home? All you viewers at home?
Can you see my eye?
See this right here? That's for generating the will to want to eat. Pausenbrand. And see those? Those are toast. I bet you can't smell them now. Neither can I, that's a relief. But they stink, especially during football season, right? Represent.
Pickles College.
Yep.
Diddley Mass.
Yes, sir. Outside we go. Ooh, I almost took a shitter and dropped the camera. That would suck. I'd get beat up. That makes obnoxious noises. That puts out fire. Kind of looks like a duck if you look at it right. Can you say water? Uh-oh. Pill has dropped some cereal off of the spoon onto his drunken monkey shirt.
Full.
Eat those then. Yeah, those ones. Yeah, those are good appetizer. Yeah, how's that taste? Come on, bite it, Dave Blaine.
Oh, I can't.
This is a race car.
Ow.
We should call this the J Cam.
We need to go up to Jay's house. Be like, Jay, you're on Kenny Kim.
Come on. Blah, 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 blah. Come on, come on. Blah, 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 blah. Come on, listen to the money talk. Blah, 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 blah. STP is up with me.
Okay, Bills and Gills. Time to say Bill.
Until another episode of The Pill Show, this is Pill Milwaukee and Gay Ray Grassetti signing off at approximately, 8 o'clock.
Yeah,
Try
11:43. God damn.
My clocks are right, his are fucked.
Go find it.